Okay, so let me show you how you would assemble and disassemble these. So this actually snaps together a lot, in my opinion, kind of like Rubbermaid Tupperware. It's a very thin plastic. You've got this membrane here, you've got a flange, and you've got a bowl. That's it. That's 3 pieces. These are the easiest wash cups I have ever found. So to assemble it, what you're going to do is you're going to take your flange and you're going to put your membrane on here. These little tabs need to go on either side of this little plastic piece here. And then you're just going to stretch it around, and you need to make sure that this is firmly in place on the bottom side. If you do not get this piece right here stretched into place right, you're not going to get any suction, because it actually leaves this that's functioning like the duckbill valve would normally, or the membrane. It leaves that open, and then you're not going to get the suction. Once you have this on, you're literally just going to take this piece, you're going to stick it up into here like a little hinge, and then you just click it together. So you get a nice audible click, so you know that it's in place, and it's that simple. All you do to attach the tubing is take the connector here, and you're just going to push it down into there firmly. One of the things that I really liked about this is that the tubing is actually meant to go in either direction. So depending on how you're wearing them, what your shirt is, what your situation is at the time, you have a little bit of flexibility there. So super easy to clean, super easy to assemble, super easy to take apart. That is a winning combination for me.